Today we opened the Testing the Waters show at ASU. It featured the work of students from 4 high schools across Arizona, including Flagstaff, Somerton, Douglas, and West Phoenix. The project provided the opportunity to develop stories of place around the theme of water. The students worked with their own teachers and then with regional artists to develop unique projects that responded to their own circumstances.
The students at this event got a chance to come up to ASU. They got to see their animation and art displayed. They got to tour the campus to see exactly what animation is, what the different disciplines of art is.
We went over to the arts, media, and engineering area and saw 3D printing and motion capture. Then we went over to architecture and design and saw the Biomimicry Institute and also the incredible wood shop that they have in the basement of design. We also went through the art department, of course, and saw the sculpture area, painting and printmaking and so on. So the students got a kind of a taste of some of the resources and pathways that they could take if they were to come to ASU as a student.
For a lot of these students, it's the first time they've ever really left our small town of Yuma. It might be the first time in Phoenix for them. It might be the first time touring the university campus. We had one freshman in our group, so I know it was probably definitely his first time actually seeing all this and seeing what university life is like.
The students are beginning to connect the dots between a foundation in art and other potential career paths. For example, when we were over in the arts, media, and engineering program, they were observing a 3D printer at work, and they were really intrigued by the idea of moving from the virtual model in the space of the computer to something that would actually allow you to build something in physical space. So you can kind of see the light bulbs going off in their head. I think they were also intrigued by the motion capture area, where they were able to see how actual human movements would be translated into information that could be utilized by an engineer or by an animator. So there was this idea of braiding together both science and art traditions.
It opened their eyes. A lot of them were talking about possibilities of the university. I think it will be in their memories for years to come. And hopefully down the road, they remember this, and I think they will. They'll know of the possibility here at ASU with the art school.
I am so delighted, I'm so jazzed. It's been a perfect culmination of a 2-year process. Just to see all of the elements come together in one exhibition has been very gratifying. To see the kind of light in the eyes of the students and the teachers who are interested in continuing to work with these student projects. So I hope we can keep the momentum going.